Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the Sony lovers' wait is over. The Sony Xperia 5 Mark II is launched with a massive 120Hz OLED refresh rate display. If you hate large phone but love photography, music video, and gaming, the Sony Xperia 5 Mark II may be just what you have been waiting for. In case you missed it, allow us to repeat. This phone has a gaming ambition as its screen refresh rate at 120 Hz. It has a 6.1-inch OLED display, and while it's dropped the resolution to 1080p plus while keeping the 21:9 aspect ratio, it is still pretty sharp and support HDR and creator mode, so the film looks just as the director intended. Better yet, this is the first phone that support black frame insertion, a trick TVs use to reduce motion blur. The display also has a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz and various software and hardware optimization to reduce latency by 35%. This will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 chipset. Note the 865 Plus, which is paired with 8 gigs of RAM. This means that you get the same performance as the 6.5-inch Sony flagship, even a bit better as the CPU. Now, user N optimize it governor that tries to run more cores simultaneously while using less power. Strong come in two size 128 GB and 256 GB, and there is always the micro SD slot if you need more room. Interestingly, the Xperia 5 Mark II will also available in a dual SIM configuration in Europe. Previous model came only as a single SIM. If the Snapdragon 865 chipset was not enough of clue, this is 5G smartphone and it has sub 6 GHz. The camera remains basically unchanged save from the removal of 3D time of flight module. There is some improvement on the software side that will be ported over the Xperia 1 Mark II. Sony has enabled a JPG plus RAW shooting, and 4K at 120 fps slow motion video are now shoot in HDR. As of the camera hardware, we get there a 12 megapixel module on the backside. The main camera gets a 1 by 1.7 sensor with OIS it, and the ultra wide 16mm came feature dual pixel autofocus. Then there is the 3x zoom camera which bring OIS of its own. All three cameras boost a ZAS lens with a TNT reflective coating. Eye autofocus is available. It works on a both human and animal. The phone can shoot 20 photos per second with continuous AE and AF. Despite its smaller status, the Xperia 5 Mark II has the same battery capacity as the bigger Mark II, 4000 mAh. You will receive an 18-watt USB power delivery charger in the box, but you can use a more powerful charger to charge up to 21 watt. Even the include power brick, a 50% more charge is achieved in just 30 minutes. Sony added two literally cool feature to reduce battery degradation. Battery cares lets you pick a slower charge curves, and you can now limit the maximum charges at 90%. The H and S power control heat suppression enable a pass-through mode for gaming. The phone uses power directly from the charger to avoid the heat generated by first routing electricity through the battery. Other phones experience a double whammy of both the chipset and the battery generation heat. The phone bring our all the fan favorite feature from the Xperia 1 Mark II. Yes, include the 3.5mm headphone jack. You can enjoy high resolution audio both with wired and wireless headphone. Alternatively, you can use the front firing stereo speaker. Dolby Atmos and 360 reality audio are both supported. For a more impressive experience, you can experience that on Tidal Hi-Fi, as the phone come with a free 3 months subscriptions. The body of the phone is rated IP68 IPX5 for dust and water resistant. The front and back are protected by Gorilla Glass 6. It measures only 68mm wide and 8mm thick, making it more compact than the most phone available today. There will be 4 colors to choose from. It launch black, gray, blue and pink. The US will only get the black version with the Sony Xperia 5 Mark II going on a pre-order at $950 on September 29 and shipping on December 4, 2020. Those who pre-ordered the Xperia 5 Mark II by November 29 will get a gaming bundle worth $400, including a gaming headset, 10,000 mAh power bank, and 21,600 Call of Duty mobile points. In Europe, the phone is coming in Q4 for a €900 in a black, blue, and a grey color. Sony will also release two accessories for the phone: a stand cover with a built-in kickstand and a more traditional style cover. The phone natively support dual Sharp 4 controller, so this is a good smartphone for photographer and also for a gaming lover. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new Xperia 5 Mark II? I really like this Sony Xperia smartphone because they make a beautiful and amazing smartphone. So let me know in the comment section, and also like the video and subscribe my channel for more amazing tech videos. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace out and bye.